Hi guys, it's me. I'm back and look what I got. I got grab bags from Michaels. I'm so excited. I actually had zero intention of going to Michaels. I went to Lowe's and Michaels was right next door. I popped in just for a minute and saw they had grab boxes, so I had to grab 3. All right, let's get a move on. I'm outside, so sorry about the noise. I don't want to wake my toddler. So, our first box, we have a bag of Easter eggs. Sorry, have a little bit of construction going on near my house. Oh, we have lots more Easter eggs. Not bad, $3.99. I'm gonna save these for next year. It's a nice assortment of plastic Easter eggs. So that makes about 7 bags of plastic Easter eggs. Oh, nope, let's make that 8. Ooh. All right, and next we have a lot of Easter baskets. Look at this. Wow. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 Easter baskets. Nice. I do not have 22 kids, but that is fine. I will keep these for next year. Okay, and next we have a glass necklace, charm necklace. I guess it holds sand. Not bad. And we also have what looks to be an eraser. Yep, it is a unicorn eraser. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And that's the end of box number 1. That was pretty quick. I do like everything that was in the box. And that was a $5 grab bag box. All right, here we go with number 2. Now I'm going to remove this twine. I tied them together so they wouldn't get lost. All right, and box number 2. We have, a lot of Easter grass. 1, 2, 3, and then we have 1, 2, 3 of the paper shred Easter grass. Not bad. And we have, these are adorable little chickies. Let's see, 3 little clear plastic chickies. So that's 1 and 2. And now we have 2 packs of the clear plastic carrots. And we have 1 of the clear plastic bunny rabbits. They're adorable. Oh, look at this. It says toppers decoration. Oh, these are cupcake toppers that have glitter in them. Oh, aren't those cute? And a fuzzy little headband. Adorable. We have 2 more of these creepy squishy carrots. I already have one of these. It's filled with either sand or buckwheat. We have a squishy pig. Oh, it's so cute. Squish, squish, squish. And a squishy bunny. Squish, squish, squish. Oh, and another bag of grass. I have a medium-sized clear plastic egg. It's green on one side. And here's the pink one. Oh, I have an adorable pair of ears. Oh, those are adorable. And another pair. Oh, look, and I have a blue one. Blue. And a purple. Sorry about the sniffling. And we have some cute little fuzzy chicks. Oh, they're adorable. Look at them. And some more. Oh, my nose. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are adorable. Except for the derpy one on the end. These are cute. Okay, I have 2 bags of more plastic eggs. We'll put that with the rest. It's a large stack of eggs. And then we have some bunny rabbit rings. And a lot of window clings. And they all say Happy Easter. So we got 2 there, 3, 4, and 5. They all say Happy Easter or Hippity Hop. If I can get it to hold straight. Hippity Hop. Okay, that is the end of box number 2. And we're on to our last box. And let's see what's inside this one. We have, oh, there's a lot in here. We have a pair. Oh, what is this? I'm guessing these are bunny ears. Yeah, they look a little beat up, but it's okay. I can fix them. I have another headband. And another. Ooh, and another. And one more for good measure. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 headbands. They have a cute pair of bunny glasses. Some iridescent eggs. Another pink egg. Let's see. I see 2 of the purple eggs. And, ooh, a tulle basket skirt. That is actually kind of cute. So we'll save that for next year. It was $3.99. And then we have some foam stickers. Ooh, that one has a wiggly eye. And this one says Happy Easter. And it looks like we got some chicks and a couple of bunnies. We have some more foam stickers. These are eggs. Very glittery. We have a blue pair of glasses. These are coming out of the package, but that's okay. We'll put them back in. We have a purple pair, so that makes 2 purple pair. And I have a wire headband with ears. Very cute. Oh, there's a lot in this box. Oh, here's another one. Beautiful. Oh no. And of course, I got more buckets. Oh, what am I gonna do with all these buckets? Up, and one of them's cracked. It's okay. I'll find something to do with these. And let's see. We have, oh, more stickers. Wow, look at all these stickers. I'm gonna love these. I have a lot of uses for stickers. We have a few more eggs. Lots of plastic eggs. So I'm gonna use these next year. My son's gonna have an Easter egg hunt. Ooh, these are fuzzy felt stickers. I was gonna say foam. Oh, and I threw it. Okay, we have a color in 3D scene with 3 markers. And we have another one. We do have a color in puzzle kit. It's very cute. I have, oh, look at that, another one. Oh my, I'm liking this box. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. I am outside. And here is 3 more of the puzzle eggs. Oh, and there's a bunny. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Look at that. Okay, and we have 1, 2, wow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5 more of the kits with the markers. And we also have a lot of ribbon. Ooh, look at these ribbon. Ooh, I like this one right here. So we got some cute ribbon. Is this slime? Oh, please don't be slime. Oh, it's putty. That's pretty much slime. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna give this to my older kids. I don't like slime. More iridescent Easter eggs. We have a lot of those. And we have Bunny Buddy launchers. And there's actually 3 of these. There's 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 of those. Some more of the ribbon. It's a lot of cute ribbon. A couple more stickers. And last but not least, some cute fuzzy ducks. Oh, they're adorable. All right, guys. Sorry about the noise, but that is the end of all 3 of my Michaels $5 grab bags. Have a great day, guys.